Hello everybody, and today I have decided to finally do a update video on Magpie. Now she apparently the vet didn't tell us that she had a condition. It was actually our vet that we take our dogs to, but we had to take Mama Bear to the vet, and the vet told us that she has a condition that can't be cured, and it is apparently contagious to other chickens, and it can't be cured, and she can't really be cured, but I guess she'll be okay. Magpie, Vivi! Hello, Vivi. And I don't know where, and for any of you who are wondering, Flower, it's just arthritis. She's an old bird. Yeah, she's an old bird. And we have Blackie. Or wait, no, not Blackie, Zigzag. There's Blackie. There's Strawberry. There's Whitey. Hi, Feeny. Lele. Crescent is over there. Can't find Julia. Luna. Spot. Bandit. I'm pretty sure Julia is around here somewhere, but I can't find her. And as you guys can see, Speckle, Red, and Jumper are right there. Oh, and I almost forgot about Sunrise. Oh, there's Julia. Hi, Julia. Julia. Oh, hi, Strawberry. Hi, baby girl. Oh, hello, baby. Oh, hi, babies. Hi, Lele. Like, for the Dominiques, I always have to look at their leg bands because I can't really identify the... Hey, which one are you? Okay, Whitey, okay. I always have to look at their leg bands or else I can't really identify them. Layla is over there. And Flower. Hi, baby. Hello, Flower. Hello, Flower. Hi, Feeny. Hi, babies. Hi, Whitey. Hi, Lele. Hi, Crescent. Hi, Strawberry. Hi, Blackie. Sunrise is over there. Magpie's over there. They're over there. Oh, guys. She's standing. Oh, baby girl. Oh, she's standing, guys. Well, she's trying. Oh, never mind. Oh, but she's such a good girl. Yeah, she's such a good girl. Magpie. Hello, baby. Hello, babies. Hello, baby girl. Hello, baby girl. Well, that's all for the chicken update.